Hi, now that you've watched the introduction video and watched the YouTube videos that I've linked and also taken the pre-assessment, it is now time for the Big Six lesson conclusion. Once again, my name is Amanda Allen and I'm your school librarian. I will walk you through a more in-depth explanation of each step in the Big Six research model. During the lesson, feel free to take notes. Let's get started. I've provided a handout for you to reference when you are ready to begin the research process. This handout will serve as a guide to help you stay on track. Step 1 in the Big Six research model is task definition. This is where you will select a topic. A good topic will have enough available to you. It helps to think of a good research question to guide you, and creating a T-chart with what you already know and what you need to know can help also. The next step in the Big Six model is information seeking strategy. Brainstorm your sources. Where will you find your information? Start with the most accessible, like books and online databases. Then, if you need more information, you can use magazines, newspapers, and videos as resources as well. Use websites that you know have quality information. Even experts on the topic can be a resource. The third step in the Big Six research model is location and access. Find the information in the resource you have chosen. It helps to write down specifics of where you have to go and what you have to do and what skills you need to be proficient in finding your information. Asking the experts is always a great resource. Next, the fourth step in the Big Six research model is the use of information. Go out and find your information. Write notes in your own words or use quotations around copied words that answer your research question. Select the key facts from the information you've already read. Make sure to write down the important facts that answer the question. Don't forget to give credit to the source. Keep track of your sources so you can make a list of them to include in your presentation. The fifth step in the Big Six research model is synthesis. Decide on subtopics. Finalize how you'll share your work. Make rough drafts, conference, and edit. Check your spelling. Organize the notes that have been taken. Create a rough draft, then create the final product. The sixth step in the Big Six research model is the last step, evaluation. Ask yourself questions. Is my project organized? Did I follow everything on the rubric? Do I have enough reliable information? Am I proud of my project? If you can answer yes to all three questions, then your project is ready to be turned in. In conclusion, this concludes an in-depth explanation of what the Big Six research model is. Some key points to take with you. Task definition is defining the information problem and the information needed. Information seeking strategies is determining all possible sources and selecting the best ones. Location and access means to locate sources and find information within the sources. The use of information is being engaged by reading, hearing, viewing, and touching. Extract relevant information. Synthesis is organizing from multiple sources and presenting the information. Evaluation means to judge the product's effectiveness and the process's efficiency. Thank you so much for your time.